Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Keder on a beautiful day, my friend. So pound that for watching this video. Pow! So guys, in this video today, I'll be talking to you about the easiest way I find to create passive income online this year and every year after. Now, this is something that happens to me, and then I want to teach it to you, right? The easiest way I found to actually create passive income. Now, the title of this video is not the easiest way to make money online, but it's the easiest way to make passive income. There's a big difference between making money and passive income. Okay, making money, you gotta put in the work every single day in order for you to create that income, right? Passive income, you do the work once and then you keep getting paid over and over. You only have to do the work once, you put it in once, and you just kick back. You don't have to keep doing the work, and then you're gonna get paid from the work that you did. Alright, so this is what I want to teach you inside of this video. Let's get it. Let's go.
Also, subscribe to my channel for a chance to win one of those $50 gift cards when you subscribe.
You go hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's going to happen to yourself, guys. I can tell you can change your life. Alright guys, so here's what happened to me, my real quick story. I had a domain. I bought a domain. It was about 2 years ago. I started working on a project. I actually built a whole team around the domain. And then after that, after 1 year ending the project, we made a bunch of money with it. And I just let it go because I started working on a different project. I just stopped working on that domain. And then what happened, a couple of years later, I went on to check on that domain to see, to check on the domain to see what was going on. It wasn't a passive project. It was a one-time project I was working on. I made a bunch of money, but I left the domain. It was there. It was a domain that people needed, right? It was one of those current naming, marketing, online business that people wanted to get. So what happened? I logged into my domain. I went on the website. Come to realize, it says that I can't access the domain. There was nothing on there. I forgot the domain. I forgot to pay for it. I don't know if this ever happens to you. Have you ever got a domain and then it's your domain? You paid $12 to GoDaddy, or you paid whatever amount, and then you go to the domain, it says that it's not registered or it's not parked there anymore or something. And I'm like, yo, what the hell's going on? I want the domain now. I'm working on a new project. I love that domain name. I want it. Then I went on the domain, and it says in order for me to buy it, I have to pay $30,000. I'm like, yo, what do you mean $30,000? Like, what the hell? So I hit up GoDaddy. I'm like, yo, dude, that was my domain. I bought it 2 years ago, and now it's asking me to pay $30,000 in order for me to get the domain back. It was like, yeah, someone else bought the domain because you didn't pay for it for like a year. So after 5 months, unregistered, unpaid for, we let it go. So someone else bought it. And I'm like, okay, so can I get it back? They're like, no, you gotta pay $30,000. I'm like, wait, what do you mean I gotta pay $30,000 for that domain? So I ended up negotiating with the person. So they connect me with that person. I ended up negotiating, and we got it to a way lower price. I think $1,200 at that time, because it was the domain that they got, and I was the main owner. But that opened my eyes, so I started looking more into what was going on in that industry. Then I figured out this whole thing called domain flipping, where you bought the domain, you bought it once, you only have to buy it once, right? And then you just register it for you to flip it. Now it gets a lot easier because the other day I went into GoDaddy, which is one of the places that I buy most of my domains, and now they have the option right when you buy the domain, right inside of the interface. Matter of fact, I'll jump into the computer, I'll show you how to do that. You can make anywhere between $200 to $300 to $500 to $10,000 to $100,000 per domain that you sell, and it's passive because you only have to get the domain once, maybe for $12, $10, whatever, and then you register it. You just leave it there, so you can really flip your money through the years. Now I'll jump into the computer and show you how you can do your research really quick And then you can register a bunch of domain on what's hot right now, on what people are talking about, where the industries are moving, where things are moving. Imagine if you get this domain early that you know people are looking for, they're gonna be worth thousands of dollars. You can just sit back, spend $12 and make $120. Sit back and spend $12 and make $20,000. It's that easy, but it's passive. See, the reason I say this is the easiest way you're going to be able to make money, it's because it's going to be that easy. So what happened to me when, as you guys know, a lot of you that follows my video, there's an industry that started blowing up big time called cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. You probably heard of Bitcoin if you're watching my video. So what I did a video about, when did I do this video? It was November. So right now, about 4 months ago, I say about 4 months ago from the time I'm making this video, and then the video shoot to the sky. It was about Bitcoin. You know, I was trying to buy Bitcoin and something happened with my account. So I kind of mentioned in the video went viral. Then I saw how much traffic this industry was getting. So what I did, I went and bought a bunch of domain that I know people was gonna need inside of this industry. And then I'm waking up every now and then for like 5,000, 1,000, 800, 200 from those domain flipping. So I've been flipping those domain in those industry. Now the cool thing is that there's many different industries right now that are on a breakout point. So once they break out, you set yourself in a position that way you can sell those domains to those people that has money, or to anybody who wants to get them, or you can find old domains that people already had registered, and then you buy them now. So whenever the person is working on a project, like I had someone who was working on a book, right? A book takes a long time, right, to finish. So they wanted to create a whole project with the book. So they bought this domain and they was creating the book. What was their plan was a coaching program with the book. So in the book, they'll write the whole book, you know, trying to get the book to be a bestseller so they can get a bunch of people, get a bunch of traffic. Inside of the book, they put the domain name, right? They're going to put the domain name to that book so that they can send people from the book to go get a free, they was giving a freebie on the website, but inside of that freebie, they pitching the coaching site, which is a $5,000 to $10,000 coaching program. So now this is very valuable to that person. But remember, when writing a book, most people, they have writer's block or they take a long time. Some people take a year. Some people might take 6 months. It takes people time. So during that time, they totally forgot and placed the domain and forgot about it. Someone else acquired the domain, and by the time they finished the book, ready to get published, ready to work on the back office for the program, the domain was bought by somebody else because they was not paying for it, and now they had to pay an extra $17,000 to get the domain because all the works have already been done in reference to that domain. The whole name of the book is based on that domain name. So it's like, dude, like you would have to change the whole book, change the whole, you know, mindset of how the book is driven. So now they feel like, well, for this project to become a reality, we have no choice but to buy this domain for $17,000, which had cost them $12 when they got it. So guess what? They did. Their program ended up being flourished, make a lot of money, but that's how powerful the strategy can be for you. So let's jump into the computer real quick. I'll show you how to do the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share. That was your boy Keder. I'll see you on the computer. Let's jump now.
Alright guys, so we are now in my computer. Here's what we're gonna do. Alright, I'm gonna show you the process here real quick on how to do it. So first thing, let's talk about GoDaddy. Now GoDaddy is a place that you can buy domain. I usually buy a lot of my domain there. I got multiple different accounts. So let me go ahead and log in into one of my accounts and I'll show you how the process is done inside of GoDaddy. Very, very simple. And I'll show you another way to do it. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to my account. Let's go to my products and we're gonna see all my domains and I'll show you exactly what happened. So let's click on my product. Let's click on manage all. So if you have already had different domains, it's gonna list all of them inside of GoDaddy. And now you can see over here, I can actually list them for sale. You can see I already list a couple for sale, like this one, Birth My Dream. I'm actually selling it for $437, $34. Blue Blocker, I'm selling for $753. So I can list any of those for sale that you see. Any of those domain here, if I click on list for sale, it's actually gonna list that domain for sale. Another website I want you to actually guys take a look at is flipper.com. And you guys could see that's what I did. So what ended up happening, I ended up going to Flipper and look at some of the domains they have. Let's click on most active one, and you guys will see over here some of the domain they have available, and an animal trainer, and show you how many bids that they have. If we set it for bids, how many people is bidding on those domain? Animal trainer, $204. This person can make instantbitcoins.com for $1,050, guys. So you guys can see over here, right? Peopleproblem.com, $32,000. People are putting those domains up for, guys. Let's see what else. What else we got? Got a bunch of them already listed here. There's another one here. I see that must be another one that I just see. Let's see. Let's see. There's a bunch of them. eClubTourist.com. So if you don't know what name, if you're starting from scratch and you say, hey, Keder, I don't know what name. See, I did that in cryptocurrency because I saw Bitcoin was going crazy. So I started buying a bunch of domains. Just like you see here, this person is selling eClub. 2 days left and $1,050. $1,150. 33 bids, you know? So whatever industry that you in, let's say you wanted to do weight loss. Let's go to this website called Lean Domain Search. You can search it in domainsearch.com. There you go. So, you know, you can do, this is what I did. I did Bitcoin. So I bought a bunch of domain. Like this one shows you, you know, I'm not gonna tell you which one exactly I bought, but I've already bought a bunch of them using this strategy that I'm teaching you. Magnetbitcoin.com. Critical Bitcoin. So let's say you're in a different industry. I don't want you to think that this is only for cryptocurrency. Whatever industry that you're in. Let's say you want to do weight loss, okay? Weight loss, for example. Let's do weight loss. So I'm searching for domain travelweightloss.com. Now, travel weight loss, that's a powerful domain to see if it's already taken. Okay, I'm going to click on it. It says it's still available. Weight loss, travel weight loss. How many people you know that travel and they're on a weight loss journey and it's hard for them to be on the same weight loss journey while traveling because it's so hard for you trying new food, you know, different country. It's so hard for them to keep track of what they eat. So weight loss, if someone come up with an idea on how to travel and lose weight, travel weight loss, that's a powerful website. You can sell that for thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars if someone come with a whole full brand. So it will be a lot easier for you to do that. Okay, so you do that and then you go to GoDaddy, right? You get the domain, what it's gonna cost you. If it's the first time you're getting a domain, go to google.com, look for 99 cents coupon. You can get them for 99 cents. But with GoDaddy, it's probably gonna cost you about $12. But guess what, guys? You know, on average, you're making $100, whatever you sell them for. Like right now, if I want to sell this one, everythingdouble.com, I can list it for sale. This is a domain that I actually bought for my daughters. I have twin daughters and I teach them. In this domain, it's a project I started to work on. Let's say I didn't want to do the project anymore. I can sell it. So on this project, it's an e-commerce site. They have their own site that I'm actually going to work on. When they go to school, whatever clothes that I bought for them, they're wearing, guess what? They're going to sell it too. If they go to classes and school and kids are asking them, yo, I love your clothes. My goal is tell them, hey, go to your website and build your own brand. I want to teach my kids to be little entrepreneurs, like to be able to create their own income. And this is a project I'm working on. Let's say I wanted to change things around and I didn't want the domain anymore. I can just get rid of it and list that for sale, everythingdouble.com. This is an idea, but like I said, you can go out there, you start working around with this stuff and you start killing and start making money. Looking at register them in flipper.com. If you want to, you can sell them straight up on GoDaddy, which would be the easiest one. So you go to Lean Domain Search, plug in whatever keyword or whatever industry that you see that's booming, that you part of, you plug in the keyword, grab yourself a few domain, buy a few of them, register them inside of GoDaddy, and then list for sale, and you just leave it. And then that's it. And then any day you wake up, passive income. That's the easiest way you can make passive income online, guys. That was your boy, Keder. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, leave a comment down below. Pound that. Invite somebody else to this channel. Let them know what's happening. It was your boy, Keder. And if you want to be part of our giveaway, definitely leave a comment. I'm actually going to do a giveaway when I get paid from YouTube, which I get paid 21st of the month, every 21st. So look out for the winner. So in order for you to be part of the giveaway, what you gotta do is like this video. You gotta be a subscriber first. You gotta like this video. You gotta share it. You gotta comment this video. Let me know your thought, and that's gonna put you in the draft. Anyway, guys, that was Keder. I'll see you guys later. Bye.